This room is too dark tonight. Yeah, how you doing? It's 12 a.m. here in my country. I need to sleep. My eyes are hurting. But last night I've told you that we are going to have a live tonight, so I promised you with tonight live. Tonight we are going to talk about Bitcoin. We are continue to update the previous analysis about this Bitcoin and what's happening in the market. I hope you enjoyed previous live and 2 nights ago lives. They were nice. I've told you, I emphasized in my opinion that we are going to go down, and we did. And also I've told you several of times to use stop loss. A stop loss in the bearish market is your friend. It will protect your money and it will help you. I'm not going to talk Parsi or Persian. If I wanted to do that, I would have done that in my Instagram. I'm tired a little bit with people judgment. They are talking too much. They are talking all the time, making stories, and even in the previous live on Instagram, on YouTube, three nights ago, I was mentioning that Bitcoin is going to go down, and people were saying some stuff which was not good in the live. You can remember that, but it doesn't matter. We are going to begin again with Bitcoin technical analysis, and let's jump into the chart. This is the chart we are having right now, and we had a live up here about Bitcoin that is going to go down, which it did. I hope you enjoyed that live. And right now I'm going to update my analysis. We might have some pullbacks to this line. We might have it, we might not have it. And also, my analysis is bearish. I think we are going to go down, okay? We might have a pullback or we might not have it. The analysis is bearish right now. And I think we are going to go down. Okay, this is my analysis, and you might ask me why. The first reason is 3-driver pattern here, and the second reason is the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, you can see that it's not really good. We had bunch of wick candles, bunch of wick green candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles. They are not really good. They were really weak, and you can sense the weakness in these candles. And right now we are having one big red candle, big red engulfing candle indeed. And this candle has engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. This candle is showing us that we are going to go down in the upcoming days. It's showing us some sell pressure. We might have a pullback to this area. We might have a pullback, and after that we can go down, or we can go down from here. Okay, as you can see, this analysis is confirming itself. And yeah, guys, are you here? Why don't you say anything? Are you here? Can you hear my voice properly? Is everything right? So, this is my analysis about Bitcoin right now. And okay. Everything is okay. Thank you. And right now, this is my analysis. Unfortunately, I think we are going to see somewhere around $30,000 area again. And that's really sad, but that is going to happen, in my opinion. And yeah, if we want to use the line chart, you can see that in the line chart we had a high, we had higher high, we had another higher high, and also we had low, we had higher low, and right now we are having a lower low in this area, which is a sign that we have entered the bearish trend again. Okay, you might ask me, should we sell here? I don't know, because I had some ideas here, I had some ideas here, but right here at this price I have no idea, because you know I had a bearish scenario for Bitcoin. I had a bearish analysis about Bitcoin up here. Okay, and then people, they don't do anything, they just wait and wait and wait, and when price moves down to this area they start to enter short position, and after that they see a small pullback, and they start to send me some direct messages, and I don't know, they start to comment some stuff for me, and they say, we have sold our Bitcoin, you said it's going to go down. Yes, I did say that it's going to go down, but I had this analysis up here, or even up here, not here. Okay, and you know, yeah, to be honest, I think we are seeing the bearish trend, and we just entered this bearish trend. And you're asking me, where is the end of this bearish trend? I think this bearish trend is going to get ended somewhere around 29 up to $30,000 area. Okay, we might have some penetration below this level too. We might, I'm using the word might, touch this level 25, 26, 27. We might touch this level in the upcoming days, and we might have some penetration too, but I think we are going to see higher levels again. Okay, I think we are going to see higher levels, maybe somewhere around $42,000, or if we break above this level again, we can even see the previous all-time high for Bitcoin. Right now we had the first bearish wave, which was the A, this wave. We had the ABC correction. This whole wave is B. This whole wave is B. And right now we are going down. This is a wave C. This C wave can end somewhere around $29,000 to $3,000. But if it things get messy, and you know, we see a huge sell-off, we might even see $25,000. After that, we can see a higher level. I think, in my opinion, we can see somewhere around $70,000 again, or even some higher levels. Okay, but let's wait for the bottom. Let's see that if in the upcoming days this $30,000 area works as a potential bottom or not, and talk about the final target of the Bitcoin. If we want to check about this website, Glassnode, yeah, here, if you want to check it, yeah, there is one other thing which is really disturbing me, you know, right? Tonight I is starting to nag all the time, you know, I'm getting old, I think. Like old people, I'm just nagging tonight. But the other thing which is really disturbing is that people, they start to say that this on-chain data, they are not reliable. Why? Because I've said that Bitcoin is going to go down. Let me show you. From here, and after that price moved up for 1%. Okay? They say that this on-chain data is not reliable. Guys, I had too many correct analysis with these on-chain activities. As you can see, wallets with more than one Bitcoin, they are selling, and when they are selling and price is moving up, there is a huge possibility that in the upcoming days you see a bearish wave. And as you can see, after that price moved down. And right now you can see that we are having some sort of consolidation in this area. We might have a pullback. And after that, we can see another bearish trend. Okay, so let's check wallets with more than 10 Bitcoin. Ooh, wow. Not, this is too bad, actually. This is a nightmare, actually. I didn't expect something like this to happen. You know, wallets with more than 10 Bitcoin, they are selling dramatically. Wow. And wallets with more than 100 Bitcoin. What the fuck is going on in this market? It's getting too scary right now. What the hell is this, guys? I have absolutely no idea. This is too dangerous right now. Let's check wallets with more than 1,000 Bitcoin. Nothing. 10,000 Bitcoin. Nothing again. I don't know. You know, this on-chain activity is not really good, and we might see some lower prices. Yeah, that was now. Yeah. We might have a pullback like this, guys. You know, in 1 hour time frame, you can see some bullish activity. In the 5 minute time frame, you can see one big green candle is moving to the upside dramatically, and we might have some higher levels in the lower time frames, but I think the majority of this trend is bearish right now, unfortunately. And let's check tether dominance, USDT.D, which is going to be tether dominance in the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, as predicted, we are above this bearish trend line right now. We had some patterns, and we might see one bullish trend in USDT dominance. And if we see something like this, we can actually see Bitcoin somewhere around $30,000. Okay, we are having a pullback at the moment, and I think this pullback will happen. Yeah, we are going to see the pullback, but after that, if we don't break below this red line, we can actually see some higher levels. And if USDT dominance moves up, Bitcoin will move down, which is going to be pretty sad for Bitcoin. So right now, this is my analysis, and you can actually check crypto fear and greed index. You can see me too in the chart. Let's check the crypto fear and greed index. Come on, man. Don't play with me. Yeah. You can see that for a long time, from 21st of November, from the 1st of December, we are in the extreme fear in cryptocurrency market. Let's check how long is it. Let me check something. From the 1st of December, we are in the extreme fear, which is 64 days from for now. In the previous bearish trend, from up there to here, market was in the fear for something like 3 months. Okay, and right now, for past 2 months, we are in the extreme fear phase. Okay, I think this extreme fear phase can end somewhere around 15th of February here until the 1st of March. Okay, this is my analysis, which is going to be 1 month or 15 days from now. Okay, and potential support for the end of this correction is going to be $29,000 to $30,000, and also if things get messy, we can see somewhere around $25,000 too. Okay, but after that, we can see actually some higher prices in Bitcoin, maybe another bullish trend like this in the market, which makes me really, really happy. But with this activity right now, I'm going to be cautious right now. But if we see, for example, some buy pressure, yeah. If we see some buy pressure from these wallets, yeah. But right now, I think no. We have to wait for the upcoming days. Quick question: do you think Facebook stock crashing could affect Metaverse? Not really. Let's check Facebook. I had an analysis on this chart before. And such a gap, guys. Oh my God. 28% negative. It's a nightmare. In the US stock market, 5% movement is too much. Right now, we are having 30% drop. 5% in US market is like, for example, 50% in crypto. Okay? And right now, we are having a 30% drop, which is really, really huge for Facebook. And let's find a potential support for this friend. Yeah, it's $200 area. Let's check monthly time frame. Yeah, this $200 area, 200 up to 220 is a potential support for Facebook. And after that, we can see some consolidation. I think it cannot affect Metaverse, you know, because Instagram and also some other social medias are, I think they will switch. In the future, you will see the different kind of social medias. The social media is going to get changed by Metaverse, and you know, in the social media right now, we can post picture, we can make live videos together, but for example, we cannot gather in some place. Okay, we cannot gather in my office. Okay, in the upcoming days, I'm going to make a live video in my own office in the meetup, in the metaverse. In the upcoming days, I will do that, and I will invite all of you to my room here, and we are going to have a live together. But in the social medias right now, you cannot do something like this. Okay, and I think the future of social media is going to get changed in the, for example, upcoming years, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years, maybe 5 years from now. We are going to see a change in the social medias. In the next social media, we can actually touch things in the social media. Okay, we are going to do that. We can touch, for example, a product in the social media. We can touch it in the internet. Okay, it's going to happen by Metaverse. And things are going to get changed in the upcoming days, and upcoming years is better. And yeah, if you are smart, you can actually plan to make a huge amount of money with this wind of change. Okay, because wise people, they are always waiting for some new opportunity, and I'm telling you that in the upcoming years, this is going to happen. We are going to see a different kind of social medias. So this is just the beginning, and this big dump maybe cause some people to get scared, but nothing really special. I hope you enjoyed tonight live. If it was useful for you, give me some thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you tomorrow night. Bye for now.